Are you guys chilling?
Firstly, we're very, very sorry that we're late. We were stuck in really bad traffic, but now we're here and we're very excited. I've always wanted to come to the Mithibai campus and promote my film. I've never been on campus before, it's my first time, so I think you should give us a big shout out. Okay, nice, very happy.
Give it up for them, guys. Give it up. Okay, let's start with the first thing that we're going to do now.
How are we doing? 1 second.
थोड़ा सा पीछे जाते हैं.
Okay. We're going to make them shout your names individually.
I'm completely new to Mithibai, but wow, you guys are quite a bunch here. And Mumbai surely knows how to rock. Well, thank you for having us here tonight.
Okay, let's start with this.
Okay.
We're going to screen their name individually, and then you guys have to pick one person.
We have an idea, the boys here, since there's only one girl and 2 boys, it's not fair. So, we have a romantic track called Bolna. And if we could have 2 girls here who would give us boys company, and we'll do a track called Bolna. So, how do we pick, out of all the wonderful girls here, how do we pick only 2 girls?
Okay. Shout, let's you choose 2 girls from there.
Okay, my brother
So I think
Fawad.
there's one very loud Sidharth coming from there. That lady in the wearing the specs.
The one with the specs. She's right there.
Oh wow. Bring them all here, all of them.
Girl
All of
who's
them.
following the flower, the white and pink flowers. Please come. On the left, yeah.
Blue shirt, t-shirt, yeah, you're sitting on somebody's back and that was somebody, yeah, come.
They're all going to come up on stage and
We will
dance.
keep this for them.
Y'all have heard Bolna or not? No? Did I hear a no? I can see you, you're saying no. Yes. Chul. So can we have?
Now before
Okay, okay.
before that we had run a dub smash video contest. before
That only I'm saying.
She said that only.
Yeah, go.
हाँ. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है इसको.
We'll come to you. We'll just come to you.
I'm feeling so bad. You not heard me only.
There's a winner. The team is right here. It's called Bhaskar and Sons. Give it up for them.
Oh, they call Bhaskar and
It's called
Sons.
Bhaskar and Sons up. It's called Bhaskar and Sons up. They get to
I have seen their video online, and I did mention their names. I think they were awesome. These guys did some original composition or original choreography of Chul, and I think it was extremely entertaining. Thank you guys. Thank you all for enjoying Chul, and hopefully we were hoping to come there and do Chul with you guys, but sadly we cannot with each and every one of you.
Maybe we just
now
maybe we just
before
go down for a second and just say hello to the
I'll send Fawad there. He's coming now.
Go.
Alia.
We just want to say hi to ladies here. Okay. We're right here. What's up, guys? NFK. What's up?
That's just pretty easy. Mithibai, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
can't hear you. Fawad, just give all the girls a big kiss.
I would love for you guys to come out and watch Kapoor and Sons on the 18th of March, and I hope you guys come out and watch it because we've made it with a lot of love. With all the love we've been getting from you tonight, we just expect each and every one of you to be there. So will you guys come? You can be a bit louder than that. Louder! Okay, thank you so much.